Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial brought to you by Creativity Ideas. So today I'm going to show you three different ways how to do masking in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first is the normal, the basic one as the Photoshop offers here as select and marks. So what we have to do here is go to the toolbar and select the quick selection tool, make it smaller, just select the object, don't select the edges of the hair, try to stay away from them, just this side, and we will go from the side also but not the edges, we won't touch the edges. So after selecting it, just go to select and marks. The select and marks will appear only when you will be selecting something like lasso or quick selection or mercury tool. Otherwise it won't appear. If you choose like the brush tool, the select and marks won't appear here. So between any three of these you can choose and use selected marks, or simply what you can do is control Alt R will bring up the menu for you. It's the shortcut of selected marks. So first we are going to select this refine brush, so just simply brush it up. Make sure you don't brush the unwanted area, just brush the area you want just for the hairs, and it might take some while depending upon the speed of your processor. So just select this one, the edges. You can change the refine edge of smooth, feather, contrast and all, but I won't choose any one of them. I will just go to output 2 as a new layer with layer marks, press OK. Then as you can see here, a layer marks has been created. So now I can go to the solid color and change the color, any color I want. Any color you want, you can select it here. For example, I want something like light blue, most probably like this, because bright colors always bring out the area that we have selected by mistake. So here I have selected these areas. So now I can fix this by pressing on the layer marks, selecting my brush tool, making the brush tool a little bit larger. Make sure your flow is 100%, opacity is 100%. Just toggle between the foreground and the background color. Make sure your foreground color is white. Okay, just brush the area, some of the area like this. The first example was this. We are moving into our second example, that is this one. This is coming because of the clone stem, because I have chosen clone stem here. So in the second image I will show you the quickest option to do a marks, that is by going into your blending option, selecting overlay, and simply create a layer marks by clicking on this icon. Press select your brush tool, just brush out the area. You can just do it like this, just brush it out. It's not necessary it should be perfect or something like that, just brush it off. After that, make your opacity, flow to 35 most probably. Yep, 35 will be the better one. 35. Make your brush a little bit harder. Make sure foreground color is white and simply brush it. Let me just quickly finish this. Okay, after this just press Alt plus in this layer marks you may see here all the blackness you have deleted. So make sure your foreground color is white and just brush it off. This will make look more realistic of your images. Just brush it off. You can make your flow a little bit higher now, and the opacity also. Okay, by mistake if you have brushed this hair also, what you can do is simply make a foreground color back and just brush it off back, so it will erase it. Now you can create a curve adjustment layer. Simply pull the contrast a little bit up and the brightness higher. Now what you have to do is just delete the layer marks, bring the curve adjustment layer below the texture layer. Simply drag and drop the layer marks into the curve adjustment layer and press Ctrl plus I. Press Ctrl plus I and you can see the difference here. Boom, we are done. Okay, let's make the model a little bit brighter. Alright, as you can see here. So in this example I'm going to show you a different way to erase the background. So simply go to your toolbar, choose your background eraser tool, make sure this is on discontinuous most probably, and protect your background also for foreground color, and tolerance keep just it around 30 to 35. 35 will be the best, I guess so. Yep, and simply erase it. This is the one of the best, but remember one thing, this just catches one color. If your background is one color, it will erase your background so easily, but if it is not one color, it's a little bit difficult. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment.